After months of an extreme Canadian winter, the lake is finally coming back to life. Walking along the shoreline, I can feel the cold air, but there's a new softness to it, like winter is losing its grip. The ice, once thick and solid, is now shifting, cracking in places, letting the dark water peek through. It's the kind of change you can hear as much as you can see soft creaks. Distant splashes, the sound of ice slowly giving way. And then, right there on the ice, the real magic happens. Ducks and Canadian and geese are scattered across the frozen surface, their webbed feet shuffling carefully. Some are standing still, almost like they're just enjoying the moment, while others waddle cautiously, testing the ice beneath them. A few take short flights, lifting off just enough to glide across the lake before landing gracefully. Their calls echo through the crisp air, blending with the soft sounds of melting ice and gentle ripples forming in the open water. It's mesmerizing watching them move so freely, as if they've been waiting for this all winter. Some ducks are already dipping their beaks into the water, while a pair of geese stand side by side, scanning the lake like they own the place. Every now and then, a sudden crack in the ice startles them, making them shuffle or flap their wings in surprise. But they don't leave, they stay, just like me, taking in the moment, sensing the change in the air, standing there watching nature slowly transition from one season to the next. There's this feeling of quiet awe. The long, harsh winter is fading, and with it comes the promise of warmer days, open water and life returning in full force. It's a reminder that no matter how cold and endless winter feels, spring always finds its way back. And today, walking along the lake, I'm lucky enough to witness it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe for more. See you in the next one.